Exploring the digital world. Mastering address searches on digital maps. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest video. Today, we will delve into the digital world of maps. Our key focus will be on searching for locations and addresses. By the end of this video, you will be comfortable using digital maps and be ready to find any location or address with ease. Searching for locations and addresses using digital maps has become a crucial part of our lives. Whether you're planning a trip, locating a restaurant, or just exploring new places, the ability to effectively use digital maps is indispensable. Knowing how to search and interpret these maps can save you time and prevent frustration. So, let's get started. A digital map typically has a search bar at the top. It's here where you will input the address or name of the place you're looking for. In this search bar, you can type in an exact address, like 123 Main Street, a place name, such as Central Park, or even a point of interest, like museums in New York City. The digital map will interpret your input and show you the best results based on your search criteria. 1. Opening the digital map. Open your chosen digital map application. It could be Google Maps, Apple Maps, or any other map of your preference. 2. Inputting the address or location. Locate the search bar, usually at the top of the screen. Type in the address or location you are interested in. 3. Selecting the correct location. After you type in your search, a drop-down list of suggestions should appear. Select the correct location from this list. 4. Understanding the result. Once you select the location, the map will zoom in to that location. You can see the location marked by a pin on the map. 5. Exploring more details. You can also find more information about the location, like nearby places, public transport links, and reviews, if available. Remember, practicing is the key to mastering. The more you use digital maps, the more comfortable and efficient you will become. That wraps up our journey through the digital landscape of maps for today. Remember, mastering the skill of searching for locations and addresses can make your life significantly easier and more convenient. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice these skills and explore the world from the comfort of your own home. Until next time, happy exploring!